What's happening, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore, we have this 2015 Ram 1500 Sport regular cab in true blue pearl, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine under the hood, and it has a 6-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you have your projector style headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with your high beam, your LED running lights, which is also your turn signal. You have chrome inside the grille, otherwise it is a matching grille to the color. Front and rear bumpers are color matching as well, and you have 2 fog lamps on your front bumper too. Come over the right side here, the Ram 1500 Sport is running on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction on chrome alloy rims, and you have 4-wheel disc brakes on all 4 tires, and you have mud flaps behind all 4 tires too. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors are color matching, and you have built-in LED turn signal lights. Color matching door handles on the outside too. You do have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle. The Ram will sense the key fob is near, and that will unlock the doors for you. Here is your door panel. You have storage down below with 2 cup holders, storage in the middle, nice place to rest your arm, power mirrors, power windows, power locks, dark chrome styling, great style. Both driver and passenger side doors do have chrome door handles. You have an umbrella holder there. You have power folding in mirrors. Press this button and the mirrors fold in for you, which is really cool. Press it again and they fold back out. Nice. Both windows on this truck are automatic. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. You do have leather seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats. You got hooks up above so you can hang out nice clothing if you're going to a nice event, so your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. LED interior lighting. You have a pocket on the side of the middle console here. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. Tilt steering wheel as well. You have your automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switch, your box lights, and your fog light button there. You have your handle here, so you can easily get inside this truck using the switch here. We can recline the seat forward like this, which is really cool. And you'll see behind the driver's seat, and behind both seats actually, you have a large storage compartment back here for many different things, so feel free to put whatever you want back here. And let's say you want to put a child seat on the passenger side, you have hooks on the back so you can do so, and you can also hang up bags on these hooks too. And you can easily just put it back like this. You have airbags built into the front seats for safety, and of course you have your driver and passenger side airbags, and you also have pillar side airbags built in up above here for safety. Nice Ram mat there too. Close this door here. Here is where you put fuel inside the Ram 1500. Come to the back here. You have a cover on the box here, protecting everything that's in there, so it's out of sight. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. LED tail lamps, chrome badging. You have your spot for your trailer hitch down below with connections, so you can hook up a trailer or any aftermarket devices. That bumper is looking good. Your backup camera is built into your tailgate handle right here. You have spray and bed liner. And you have hooks in all 4 corners so you can tie down your load. So if you do have this open to haul large things, you can tie down your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. Otherwise, this tonneau cover keeps everything secure back here. It is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on your key fob. It will lock both doors, and it will also lock the tailgate. Come to the other side here. This truck is looking baller. You can unlock all the doors using the passenger door handle too, as long as you have your key fob. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and under the passenger seat you do have your tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. You have a pocket on the side of the middle console on this side too. Your lower glove box here with your manual. Lots of space for many different things. You have an upper glove box here with a convenience light for more items. Directional air vent here, which you can close and open. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Storage down below with 2 cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for your arm, dark chrome styling. Power locks, power window switch, umbrella holder. There's a bar underneath here, which allows you to move the seat forward. And you pull this handle, and the seat moves forward, accessing the storage areas behind the seats. Now that is cool. And here you have a rear sliding window. You can just manually slide this open, like so. Look at that. So open that whenever you want. Maybe in the summer. Might be a little cold in the winter time to open it, but you choose. And you can easily close it. Just like that. Your LED interior light, push that with your hand. It'll also act as a reading lamp. Push it again, it'll shut off. There we go. Passenger also has a handle up here, which allows them to easily get inside the Ram. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2015 Ram 1500 Sport in true blue pearl regular cab. And here is your proximity key fob. You have an unlock button, a lock button, remote start, and a panic button. And it says Ram on the back, looking good. You can keep this in your pocket, or you can put it down below here. Put your foot on the brake down below. Go over the right and press the push button, start button. That fires up the Ram 1500 for you. The tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, the temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge, the battery gauge. It all looks really great. And you have a large LCD screen in the middle. You only have 18,698 kilometers on this Ram 1500 Sport. Using buttons on the left side of your steering wheel, we can go through our driver information screen here. And first you'll see you have a digital speedometer. You can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info, tells you tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures. And you have your fuel economy, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Feel free to reset that whenever you want. You have your trip A calculator and your trip B calculator. Tells you your distance that you've driven, your average fuel economy, the time you've been driving for, and your average vehicle speed on both. And you can reset both of them too. And it looks like trip B has only been reset once, so you can be the next person to reset that. And here's our audio center, lets us know what's playing on our media center. We have a message center in case our Ram 1500 wants to tell us something. You have a screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. You have your fuel range in the bottom left corner, outside thermometer in the top right corner, average fuel economy in the bottom right corner, and a blank spot right there. Go in the settings and you can have the screen say what you want it to say. And back to your digital speedometer. And if you open any door on this Ram 1500 Sport, it will let you know which door is open. I mean, you only have two, so it's either the driver or the passenger side door, right? Sweet. And on the right side of your steering wheel here, you have your cruise control with your gear selection buttons. Nice big Ram badge in the middle with, of course, your horn. Very loud horn. You have voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancelled.
With voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station with just your voice, and you have a Bluetooth button there, which will assist you in answering hands-free calls. And behind the steering wheel, you have your steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Up above, you have a fold-down sun visor with a convenience mirror and convenience lights, so you can look at yourself whenever you want. It is a breakaway sun visor. Push-button reading lamps that are, of course, LED there for you. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Programmable garage door opener up above. Passenger sun visor also comes down and has a built-in convenience mirror with convenience lights. It is a breakaway sun visor. Dark chrome styling in the middle here with your directional air vents, which you can close and open very easily. Same with the driver's side. You can close that and open that. Dark chrome styling in the middle here. Two big cup holders in the middle. 12-volt DC power outlet. Cell phone holder. Lots of space in the middle here. Nice big Ram badge in the middle. Grab this chrome handle. You have a change holder. You have a USB port, auxiliary port, SD card port connected to your audio, and plug anything you want into there, and you can listen to all your favorite music. You have another USB port right there. You have cutouts on both sides here, so if you have cords running through here, you put them along the sides so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a lower. You have a large storage compartment down below here. There's so much space that you can easily fit a football in there. You got a little ledge there too for some things. Of course, your storage area down below. You have your traction control, tow/home mode, driver and passenger heated seats, heated steering wheel, 115-volt AC power outlet, spot for some pens or packs of gum. Four-wheel drive is push button, and you have the four-wheel drive auto feature. Throw the Ram into reverse, you have a back camera that appears on your touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you, and if you turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to go. Gives you a great view so you don't run over anything. Piano black styling in the middle here, piano black styling up above there, and you have a Ram badge and a little spot for some things. Great stitching on the dashboard. You have the Alpine Sound System, letting everybody know that you have that fantastic audio coming through the speakers. And here is your touchscreen Uconnect system with AM/FM radio and SiriusXM. You got your presets up above, which are all there for you, which is really cool. You can tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to, just like this. Now that is nice. And the set of preset, you can easily just hold it with your finger like this. There you go, now you have a preset set. Got access to a mini map, connected to your GPS navigation system, showing you where you are. You can favorite your favorite songs or artists that come up on Sirius radio. You have your seek buttons there, AM, FM radio there. Audio, just your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, it's there for you. If you have anything plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, the SD card port, or if you have a Bluetooth device connected, go into the media center and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Touchscreen controls for your driver and passenger heated seats, your heated steering wheel, you have a mirror dimmer, and your settings there too. And also access to a mini map, which is really nice. Info bar up top tells you the time, the outside temperature, you have a compass there, and it'll also let you know if you have any devices connected. You can adjust your climate control with the touchscreen here, adjust where you want the air to go by touching a finger, adjust your fan speed, adjust your temperature, max AC, air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost, you have a rear window defroster too, GPS navigation area, put an address, it'll show you how to get to where you want to go, and you can search points of interest and everything. And you also can view the map, and it shows you exactly where you are, and you can zoom out and you can zoom in on the map. Here is your Bluetooth area, connect to phone, you can make hands-free calls. Would I like to connect to phone? That's okay, I'll let you connect to phone. You can also access your phone book right on the touchscreen. Everything you do on your phone to make a call, you do hands-free on your touchscreen Uconnect system here. Settings here, just settings for your touchscreen Uconnect system and the Ram 1500. Have it personalized the way that you want it to be, and you can do that all in settings right here. Put this back on the radio, I'll turn the volume. Wow, absolutely great sound quality through the speakers, as you can hear. Love it. This is your volume knob. This is a mute button. You can turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. You have your hazards. Back button to help you guide through your system. Tuning knob, browse button, front defrost, rear window defroster. Also turns on your heated mirrors that you do have. Recirculate button, air conditioning, cooler temperature, warmer temperature, adjust your fan speed right here. And you can turn it off by pressing that button right there. And you have lots of visibility out the front window, and in front of me is Crosstown Service Express Center. Great people, great service, and an overall great time, and you can see it is snowing outside. Come down to Crosstown and see this truck's interior. It is absolutely beautiful. I suggest you come and see it for yourself. When you're done with the Ram 1500 and you want to lock it up, you can always press this black button right here on the passenger door handle or the driver's side door handle, and that will lock up the Ram 1500 for you if you have the key fob on you. It's a 2015 Ram 1500 Sport regular cab in true blue pearl that also has remote start. So on your key fob here, press this button twice. There you go. That remote starts the Ram 1500. It's down at Crosstown. Come book a test drive today. This truck is sporty, fun, and capable. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later.